Hey, what's going on? This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. Last week we started talking about all of the different template areas that are available in Dubsado, and today we're actually going to start diving into one of those, and that is the scheduler. Now, over here on the left, you're going to click Templates, and then you'll click Scheduler. Don't worry about the fact that it says beta here. This is actually one of Dubsado's newest really big features that they launched a few months ago, and they're just making sure that all the bugs are worked out before they do a full deployment. But it is available in all accounts, and all accounts do say beta next to it, so don't worry about that. Now, when you get to the scheduler template area and you want to create your first scheduler, you're going to click up here where it says Add Template on the right. That's going to pull up a new window that gives you lots of different settings, both basic and advanced, to set up your scheduler. Now, I'm actually going to go into more detail about each of these individual settings one by one, but for now, I just want to get some basic details in here so we can set up this scheduler and show you what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to put a couple of these settings in here. Don't worry about what they are just yet. Make sure you click Save at the bottom. And this is what it's going to look like when you actually have scheduler templates set up in your account. Over here on the left, you're going to have a list of all templates, and you can have as many templates as you want. On the right, whenever you click on one of these, it's going to show you all of those basic and advanced settings that you set. And you can always edit these anytime to make changes or updates or anything that you want to add to your scheduler templates. Now, quickly over here on the left, when you have a scheduler template created, you've got these three options for each of those templates. You can click here to copy it. And that way, if you've already set up your settings and you want to just make a few changes to a second scheduler template, then that's an easy way to do it, and all you have to do is change the name or change the settings to whatever that new scheduler needs to be. And then just make sure you come down here and click Save. And now you see we have two different calendars here. They still have the same settings, but for now we're not going to get into that. This next one is a link icon, and when you click that, it gives you two different options for sharing your calendar. You can use this iframe code, which will embed the calendar directly onto a web page. Could be your website, could be a landing page. Wherever you want to host that, you can actually embed this on a specific page using this iframe code. Or you can use this direct link, and the direct link is something that you can send as just a hyperlink to a client, to a lead, to anybody you want to schedule a meeting with. Or you can also, embed that on like a button on your website, or any place that you can put a hyperlink, you can use that link. And finally, this last icon here is the trash can. So if we created a template and we no longer need it, or we mess it up, we want to start over, we can always just click the trash can to delete. And of course, you get a warning message making sure that that's really what you want to do, and just click Yes, Delete. All right, so whenever you want to make a new template, you can always come up here to Add Template, and it'll start you fresh. Or if you want to just duplicate a template, you can click here to copy. And again, just always make sure when you make changes to a scheduler that you come down here and click Save to save those changes. All right, and that's it for today's tidbit. For more information about receiving updates, requesting future episodes, or getting help with your own Dubsado account, check out the links in the description below this video or visit sarahleeday.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.